every day as Lonavala in Thane. Welcome to a home within the lap of the Mother Nature to relax, recharge and reflect. Hi guys, this is your host Akshada from DHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Damji Shamji Group Presence Mahavir Square. Guys, if I talk about the total area, this is covered under 1.5 acres of land parcel. This is basically their freehold land. And if I talk about the elevation of the tower, this is their G plus 25 story tower. Guys, coming to the connectivity, this is one of the prime location. 5 minutes to your Ghodbandar Road, 5 minutes to your upcoming metro, 15 minutes to your Thane station, and hardly 5 to 7 minutes to your Eastern Express Highway. So you see, connectivity wise, it is one of the prime location for you. I tell about more location advantages. You have your healthcare, your shopping malls, your upcoming infrastructure. You have your schools, colleges at a very near and distance from this location. If I talk about the major USP of this project, you are getting a lifetime scenic view of hill facing apartments with the city view. Guys, that is going to be the lifetime view. This is basically the Tikujiniwadi view if you look, and you are truly going to be mesmerized with the view that I am going to show you in the next clip during the sample flat video. So if I talk about the position, guys, for the tower A, the position is going to be in December 24, and the for the tower B, the OC is already received. So guys, this is the biggest Vera carpet area. You have marvelous elevation. This is their 25 story with 2 wings. This is very, you will, once you enter their apartments, you'll feel very close to nature. That is how they have, the building, the tower is located. So you will feel very close to nature because of the hill facing view that you're going to enjoy from your balcony. All the three, for the 3 BHK, if you look for 990 carpet, for all the 3 apartments, you're going to get hill facing view, city view. So you'll feel very close to people who are nature lover. This is the best option for you, let me tell you this. So I give you the assurance of the amazing lifestyle that you're going to enjoy living in this kind of apartments. So also, if I tell you, you're going to get decks in all the bedroom as well. So if you look for 3 BHK, you're getting decks, the decks for all the bedrooms. Mesmerizing view that you're going to get for your whole lifetime from your living room. Just have a look. This is the mesmerizing hill-facing view, and not just that, from your balcony, the amenities on the podium level are very much visible. You can see there's this kids play area. You have this jogging track with your swimming pool. You have a small area where the sitting area basically, and all the amenities, the podium level amenities are straight away visible from your balcony. Look at the hill facing view as well as the city view that you're getting. Please have a look. So this basically is going to be your look from the view from your bedroom. Let me just go forward and show you the living room view. Come. On per floor there are going to be 6 units, and out of which to the opposite apartment, this is going to be your lifetime view, the scenic view with your hill facing as well as the city view, which you are going to enjoy for your whole lifetime. You're going to see how beautiful the life from the balcony is going to look. This is not just that, you can enjoy your morning sunrise, your evening sunset, your morning coffee and evening tea, anything guys. This is just going to be the mesmerizing view for your whole life. Let me take you to the sample flat. Actually, more than saying this, let me just go forward and help you explore the 3 BHK sample flat of 990 carpet. Let's just go and see the sample. Let me help you explore their 3 BHK sample flat of 990 carpet area. As you can see, I'm standing right here at their main entrance. On my left hand side, you have your beautiful parallel kitchen platforms. You have some storage which you can customize as per your needs. You've got your sink space. This right here is going to be your fridge unit. And then this is your humongous living area, guys. Just have a look how lavish and luxurious the living area looks right here. This is your TV unit, Your center table comes in your sitting area, and just after your entrance on your left hand side, you have enough space for your dining area. Guys, just have a look at the dining space. And just opposite to that comes your common bedroom, guys. This is going to be your common bedroom. Along with a queen size bed, you have this beautiful wardrobe given right here. And then comes your balcony, which is a standing balcony kind of thing for your common bedroom. And then, not just that, I missed one part. You also have a balcony to your living area, wherein you are getting a beautiful view. This is the lifetime view that you're going to enjoy, guys. From your apartment, you're getting the hill facing view. Not just that, you are also getting the amenities view from your balcony itself. So after the common bedroom, on my left again comes your common washroom. This is your common washroom, guys. And then you have your master bedroom number 1. This is going to be your master bedroom. Guys, look at how pretty does it looks. You have this beautiful bed space. Comes your very long length mirror. You've got your big size wardrobe with a TV unit, and not just that, for your master bedroom you have got this big space balcony too, wherein you can enjoy the whole lifetime scenic view. Not just that, from your balcony, from from the parallel apartments, you're getting a hill facing view as well as a city view. So there's this washroom that is attached to your master bedroom with premium fittings that they have already installed in your washroom. And then comes your beautiful master bedroom. Guys, I'm truly mesmerized by the way they have designed the show flats. You can just see, you can definitely customize the thing as per your need, but you can see how beautiful does it looks. After your entrance to your master bedroom, you have your queen size bed. Comes your beautiful wardrobe right here, and then you have a side table to your bed. Not just that, you have again one more balcony to your master bedroom. Have a look. They've placed a big length mirror right here. So on my left, as you can see, you have this washroom that is attached to your master bedroom. They have also installed the premium fitting. So guys, as said, this is their 3 BHK. You can come and grab the offer right now. For more details, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.